Yo, I'm not gonna lie. For some reason, this whole audio cut off. But as you can see, I'm just driving to Best Buy. Just got off work at the time. And let me just show y'all what I'm about to get. Nah, I'm in here now. Looking for this SG card. Set off. They don't quite have the one I need, which is the 512. Got the 256, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Oh shoot. And, you know, since I'm here, I might as well show you the camera I've been wanting. $799, $800. This jump is fire, I'm not gonna lie. This jump is sweet. I definitely want to get that within the next few weeks or months, honestly. It just depends on how the trading goes. Unless y'all want to buy it for me. Secure. I'm about to plug this in right now as I go into my car. So sexy. Look at that. Hold on. Let me not show you my license plate. We got schemers on the YouTube. I'll try to take my Jeep. Alright, man. I'm gonna put this together real quick.
I'll go back and forth with no broke nigga, my bankroll talk to me. Interviews be kinda lame, they tell me piece to talk is cheap. Nigga get lost, go broke, so y'all. Let her eat the meat up off a cracker like a lunchable. Teddy with a family in here looking like a Huxtable.
Now looking back at this in hindsight, this look mad weird. Yo, just coming back from the gym. As you can see, the physique. Just take a look for a second. I don't say this to brag or boast because it's not much to brag. I can't say nothing because I just got to lift in, so none of this means anything in a few minutes. So I want to make this quick recording just to take a glimpse of what I look like now, because damn, I'm tired. Because eventually I would look back at this. I would look back at this physique. I would look back at me and say, damn, I really came a long way. But this is me right now. So yeah, good little workout. Good day at the job. But it doesn't end here. People typically blame the 9 to 5 as to why they can't get places, but they don't ever talk about the 5 to 9. So we already got the workout in. We're going to go straight into trading and then content creation and then building towards success in the future. All right. Yo. Real quick. I know most YouTubers tell you guys to like and comment and turn the notification bell. I'm not going to ask for none of that. All I'm asking is for you guys to comment. That's it. Just let me know if y'all feeling this video. Let me know if you feeling the ideas. Let me know you feeling the vlogs and the trading breakdowns, all that stuff, man. That's all I ask. Let me know if you like me. Man, I don't even care, man. If you don't like me or not, we gonna keep putting these videos. But yeah, continue back to the video. We're just going to completely transition into trading as of right now. So as I've gotten home, I got a slight glimpse of the market. Definitely feeling a type of way because, to say the least, I missed out on multiple moves today. Missed out on making hundreds, potentially thousands today because I just wasn't tuned in. I am a big proponent of being where your feet are at. So wherever you're at, location wise, that's where your mind should be at. So I'm at work, I'm thinking about work, I'm thinking about the task at hand. Same thing goes to trading. When I'm trading, I don't want to hear nothing else. I don't want to hear your BS. I don't want to do nothing else. I'm strictly trading right now. Well, that's the case today. So let me stop yapping and let's just get straight into what I saw, what I'm seeing, and how I'm feeling about it all. So real quick, let me put myself over here. All right, man. So first pair, bro, is UJ. My stomach hurts like looking at it. Oh my god. Man. It's all good though. It's all good. So this morning before work, I was looking at this heavily down here because it hit my TP area, which I talked about in my previous videos. I was expecting either a complete break and a continuation of price or that movement to the upside. So therefore I was tracking this area on the smaller time frames. But as you can see, we broke below. Let me use, run it through. Let me say like here. Whoa. Like right here. So we did break below this area, but as we did break below, we created a higher low, and we also, well, that's horrible. Then we also broke above the moving averages. Not only that, the moving averages crossed, and we had this beautiful upward move. Yeah, after all this, which is tough because I was looking at it earlier this morning, but I don't even want to know the amount of pips, man. Like, God. Oh my God. And let me take all these alerts out because they keep ding, ding, ding. I'm like, bro, I don't want to hear this no more. I don't want to hear it. All right, man. So, man, that's crazy. Let me clear my charts too. Let me take this time to get rid of all this. I already journaled everything, so I'm good. Just crazy, man. And then gold, man. So I did take a loss today. I think an $80 loss this morning. Might need to refresh this. Yeah, $81 loss this morning because I was trying to long gold at the time. I thought that potentially we could continue on this trend. I was looking on the smaller time frames, and at the time we did see some volume within the market, and I noticed that it was constantly rejecting this area of support, and we were looking good for a short period. I was up almost $60, and then it just reversed on me completely. I did get out early, so I didn't take this entire loss because I didn't like the look of it. If I don't like the look of something, a pair, a trade structurally, I'm out. Because structure is everything. Everything is built off of structure. Whether that's candle analysis, whether that's using indicators, support, resistance, like support and resistance is your foundation, and then everything else flows from that. So if I don't find structure to be conducive to what I'm looking for in terms of my overall move, I'm getting out. And that's exactly what I did. Gold, oh man, it fell all the way down here. Huge gap. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? And I missed the entire move, which I definitely could have made. Guys, understand that you can get in on both ways, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. Despite me losing $81 today, it's all about adjusting and adapting to what the market is doing in the current time. So I could have zoomed out, went to the 15-minute, 30-minute, noticed that we had a break of structure. Let me see if we can see that on the hourly. Yeah, on the hourly, I didn't really see a break of structure at the time, but as time progressed, yes, we could definitely see that, and it's more pronounced. So we did get that break of structure. That is definitely an entry point. This is an entry point. This is an entry point. Like, there's so many opportunities. Wow. And all of this is being inputted into the journal today. This is crazy. Hella money to be made today. Oh my. That GU, which I was also looking at. I drew these arrows here this morning, or inputted them, because I definitely didn't draw that. I was looking at this area of support, which it was temporarily respecting. So on the upper hand of things, we did have an area of resistance, which it also did respect. So we were basically in this range. As time progressed, as we got towards midday, it finally did drop. I have no awareness of this. I'm at work. I'm locked in. I don't know what else to say. Like, I just wasn't in tune with the markets at the time. And it did completely just break this area and flow down to the downside. This is an easy entry. If I were to go down to the 5-minute, like just seeing, 15-minute, just seeing like this candle itself is hella bearish. I don't like that wick right here. So you could have gotten in on this bearish candle and then taking advantage of these pullbacks, right? Oh my gosh. Crazy. And even if you did get in like all the way at the bottom of that wick, that's still like over 80 pips, bro. Whew. In one day, EJ is still ugly. I've had this mad sad face for like 3-4 weeks. This pair, you know what, bro? I'm about to put you in the doghouse, bro. You're gonna join GJ and AU, cause what the hell is this, bro? What am I? Yeah, you know what? Why I got y'all here? Doghouse, bro. You're going all the way down here. US 30, you got some more respect. I'm gonna put you up there. Bitcoin, put you up there too. And then Bitcoin, bro. I don't even want to say the name. I just looked at the chart right before I recorded this. Yo! What happened? Bro, it shot from over the weekend. It was all the way at like 83, 84,000. Yo, it's pushing 94K. For what? I don't know what's going on. I'm totally out of the loop because I don't know what's going on. I checked Forex Factory. There's no news. What is going on? Wait, hold on. Yes, no news. What is going on? Obviously, there is something major correlated when it comes to the US dollar. Notice how every US dollar or every US pair has greatly been impacted. Look at UJ. We're looking at the base pair, right? Bullish. Gold. The quote is the US dollar. Drop. GU. Quote US dollar. Drop. Then US 30. This probably flew or went to the upside. Yep. As is basically the top 30 stocks within the stock market, New York Stock Exchange, and then we have Bitcoin, which typically we get some bullish activity if the US currency or economy is looking great. But this is insane to me. This is insane to me, and there's times where I definitely try to work on my patience, because I said that because I was planning on putting 3,000 into Bitcoin. I have a 3,000 in reserve, prepared, locked and ready, and loaded to put inside Bitcoin. And I was waiting for it to reach like a good, probably like 85, 80, closer to 80,000. I really wanted to get in down here, which I regret not doing that. Over the weekend it was here. I was like, it's still respecting this trend line, so there's potential for it to like create a higher low down here. Set F all that. Forget all that. We're just gonna head to the upside. Forget you, forget everybody. We're going. Which makes me want, like, what is going on? US dollar today. Like, what is going on? No, that's not US dollar news. Because, okay. US dollar falls to 3-year low as Trump's power threats further dent investor. Hold on, let me go away. US stocks and dollar slide after Trump attacks federal chair Powell. He attacks home. 3-year low. Wall Street and the dollar tumble as investors retreat further from the US. Go. Let me look it up. Guys, I'm speechless. As you can see, in real time, I don't know what to say. Obviously, I'm out of the loop. Because what? Gold and Bitcoin rise. No, I was totally wrong then. So it's inverse, where the U.S. economy and stocks are doing well. Then I guess gold, yeah, that makes sense. Gold and what people would consider a safe haven, as in crypto, gold. People just pour money there when they don't want to be too invested in the stock market at that current time. They place their money and funds there, which makes sense now that I think about it. But what? Yo, I gotta read on this. This is crazy, but I'm not gonna tell y'all with me. I know y'all got stuff to do. I will take time to look into this because I'm so like lost right now. But yeah, this is like a short after work type of routine that I'm pretty much implementing. I've been doing it for the past few weeks, months. And last week I didn't work out at all. Complete transparency. This week is a new week, and we're going to implement working out. Simple as that, because that's what I'm supposed to do. If I want a certain physique, I have to do what it takes to get there. Simple as that. And I can't be upset and complain when I don't get there because I didn't do what I was supposed to do to get there. Simple, man. Yeah, appreciate y'all for watching the video. I appreciate the support, man. I love the comments. One of the previous videos got like 10 or 11 comments. Hey! I like it. Yeah, but take care of yourselves. Put some more time into your 5 to 9, and let's continue growing and striving towards our 2.0 versions of ourselves. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.